Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If ABK Kuwait not working or not opening in your mobile phones, this video is for you. So in this video I will tell you the solution how to fix that. So first of all, go to the settings and then go to apps and notifications and then go to apps and here open ABK Kuwait app or find it and then tap on storage option and then clear cache as well as data. Then go back and here open data usage option, and if these options are disabled, then enable it. Then go back and if need, tap on force stop and then OK. Force stop the app for one time. If this works, then OK, but if this not work, then go to Google Play Store and open ABK Kuwait app. Open the app and if update available, update it. Hope this will fix the problem, but if these all methods not working, then contact ABK Kuwait support team. So for this, go to Google and type ABK Kuwait support. Hope this will help. Thanks.